Hello everyone, and let me start by saying this. I wanted to give you a little tutorial because we all wondering about Bitcoin. We don't know where to start or about how to invest in cryptocurrency. Now there is a lot of apps out there. There is a lot of them, believe me. But some of the apps or some of the places require you to do an investment of maybe $100, I think the minimum, or $1,000. So here is my thing. um I don't have that kind of money, so for people like me, you know that don't have a lot of investment, I chose Coinbase for this reason, because I can invest $1, people, $1, and they do charge you 99 cents per transaction. I'm not gonna lie, they do 99 cents. So if you're investing $1, you're basically paying 99 cents for the actual transaction. But like I said, the investment is basically, it's worth it. There is different ways. The first thing that you have to do is actually go to Coinbase and create your account. Now, Coinbase will give you $5 when you open your account on Bitcoin if you spend $100, but you do not have to spend $100. Once you establish the $100, they will give you the $5 of Bitcoin. But I'm going to put a link at the bottom, and I'm going to send you my link. And with that link, you actually can get $10, right? It's $5 more. Also, I wanted to show you how to get extra money. That's one thing that I like about Coinbase. And it's the fact that they give you some extra money. Like I said, the first thing that you must do is open an account. But to earn extra money, you have to watch videos. They have created videos where you can, tutorial videos, and then you have to complete a quiz, which is basically a question. And it depends on, what the video would you watch, and then you earn the cryptocurrency for that specific place. So once you start, you can earn, I think you can earn about up to $70. At least that's, from the ones that I chosen and I done. So these are some of the ones that are giving you money, some of the cryptocurrency. Balancer gives you three of balance. Polygon gives you some. I'm sorry, this is it's kind of got blurry here. New Cipher gives you three. Let's see. Universal Market, it's getting out of focus, gives you six. Band Protocol gives you three. Filecoin gives you six. Zcash, they don't specify how much. I think it's only $2, but I'm not sure. Ox gives you Tesos gives you six. Basic Token gives you Ampleforth. Um, they let you earn some money too. And Cello gives you CGLDs. Scale gives you three. These are the ones that give you this. This is the list basically that I'm giving you of the ones that actually do give you some. EOS gives you the Kyber network. And I'm sorry if it's getting blurry because I'm using someone else's phone. And this is how you do it. How do you do it is once you set up your account, you are going to go ahead and try to invest, and it gives you all of them, the watch list of all the cryptocurrencies that are available. There's one is Ox. It's one of the ones that give you some of that extra cash. And how are you going to find it? Fetch is giving actually. Fetch is giving you $3, and basically is you watch a video for a minute, and it will give you $1 for that minute, and you get to answer one question. You watch a video for another minute, and they give you $1 when you answered the question. And then they give you another $1 for another minute when you answered the question. Clover, Amp. Amp gives you, Graph is giving $4. Stellar Lumens is giving you 10, and it's $2 per video. Compound also is one of the ones that are, it's giving you $9. And how do you find these apps? You go to the list that I just gave you, and you found like Compound. Here we go. Sorry for that, it's not coming up. Press it again. You press it. Yes, press it. And then you're going to go down. And I only did the little class. So I have, it's you watch a 3-minute video and it gives you $3. Watch a 3-minute video, it gives you $3. You watch a 3-minute video and it gives you $3. So basically it is $9 that they're giving you. And this is a tutorial just to help you. You can go down the list that I gave you, pause it, look at it, and see what you think. I can give you the list one by one, or if you need help. But here is the list. Ox, Die, Kyber Network, EOS, Algorand, Marine, Marker, Cello, Scale. And again, look at the bottom for my invitation or my link so you can get the $10 for free. And it's a tutorial. If you have any questions, let me know. I know Fetch is also giving $3 at the moment, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you need any help, or want me to make a certain video, let me know. Thank you.